Hi, welcome to Jira Agile Project Management Practical Training course. Today in this video, I would like to talk about an overview of Jira system and will guide you how to create an account in the Atlassian for accessing the Jira for project management. Okay, so now let's get started. You open your browser and then access to the Atlassian.com website. And so here, in this website, you can see the Atlassian. It has a lot of the product here. Hover on the menu button, and it will be supporting a lot of the product for developer, product manager, IT professional, business team, and leadership teams as well. You can click on See on Application link here. It will open up a page here where you can see we have a lot of the application from Atlassian. In this training course, we will focus into the Jira system. Here, this is a powerful tool for project management, supporting for plan, check, and deliver your biggest idea together. And of course, it will be the centralized system for project management tool for the small, medium, or even big team in your project. And the second thing in this training course, we will focus into the Confluence. This will be a collaboration tool for supporting and storing all of the documentation, comment, and in this using some other application for creating documentation, you can use the Confluence together with Jira for the fully managing project in only one tool. So now let's go ahead to explore some feature of Jira system. You can click on the Learn More button here. And here show the Jira system. It will be supporting for multiple industries, the software development for project and issue checking, marketing, IT, design, operation, and so on. Here you can scroll down to see some other functionality and some other video to explore the feature of Jira system. But don't worry, I will step by step guide you how to do practical following the requirement we have in the project in later video. And the Jira system is not only supporting you to do the planning for the project, but also supporting you for the checking the work in progress in daily basis. And of course, it will be a powerful tool to supporting you do the reporting for the management. And the next step, in order to use the Jira system for the project, so you need to have an account in the Atlassian. You can input your email here for sign up to create a new account, or even sign up using the Google or Microsoft account here for quick access. If you already have an account, you can click on Sign In button here to get access into the Jira system. Click on Get It Free button. It will navigate you to the sign up page. And you enter your account here. So I will enter my email. And then I click on Sign Up button. You click on Remember Me checkbox. Continue. And then the Jira system will trigger and send you an email for verification code. You open your mailbox. You see here, we have a verification code already sent here. You copy and paste it into here. And after the account is verified, that you can enter some other information for the account detail. the full name, the password, yes, and then click on continue button. So next step, you need to create a site for the project, and this site will be a safe place where all the people from the team, from the company and the project can access into this one. If you provide or grant the permission for them, you click on the continue button here if you don't want to change the website. So here I keep this one by default, my name, account, continue. And then you need to answer some question here before creating the workspace for the project. What kind of work do you do? I will select the software development. You see here, it supports multiple industry projects. And how does your team plan to use Jira? You can do prioritize the work in Scrum, run a sprint. You can select this all, continue. Name the project. So here you can enter the My Training project. Yes, get started. And you need to answer some other information like what type of work do you need? Review some the task, story, feature, request, and bug. And of course, it will be flexible to supporting you changing or adding more type of work in your project. I will keep this one by default. That story, feature, request, or bug. Select is all. Next. How do you check the work? Basically, you can create a lot of the status here following the workflows in the project. And by default here, we have 4 status: to do, in progress, in review, and done. I will keep this one by default as well. Click on Finish button. My Jira project has been created. I have some simple tasks for to do, for in progress, in review, and done here. This will be a guideline for supporting me to work with the Jira project in the next time. So first thing here, we have click on I accept all to allow Atlassian to use the cookie, improving the browser experience. And on the right hand side, this will be some the guidance. I mean the quick start guidance to supporting you easier to work with the Jira system. Click on this one, guide me button. Or you can click on Dismiss Quick Start button here. You can click on some simple tasks here to see this one, more detail. Simple. Add temporary admin login. We have some activity, comment, history, workload. We will discuss this one later. Click on Jira. View. It will be work on some tasks. It will be consider the backlog for the project. Assign to me, start board. Okay, discuss later. That part. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. In the next lesson, we will continue to explore it more detail in the Jira system. After you finish this training video, you know the overview of Jira system is a powerful project management tool for the project, supporting multiple industries, planning, tracking, monitoring, and reporting for the manager. I hope this will be helpful for you. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning.